Hello, beautiful. This is Jess from Lean Ladies Coaching, and today we are going to talk about creating weight loss goals. Raise your hand if you have ever created a weight loss goal that you then did not achieve. Honestly, for me, before I started implementing what I used through Lean Ladies Coaching, I would make a weight loss goal, whether it was 15 pounds, whether it was 5 pounds, and I would not achieve it. And I would really tear myself up about it, that by the time I make my next weight loss goal, I had some subconscious thoughts that, I don't think I'm actually going to achieve this, but I'm going to make the goal anyway. If this sounds like you, definitely tune into this video today, because we are going to talk about how to make a weight loss goal that isn't just the I'm going to lose 8 pounds by the end of the month. These goals that we're going to create are going to help you to better lose weight, keep a confident mindset, and honestly see more success. So stay tuned. I want to start off by saying that there are 3 main types of goals. There are outcome goals, there are performance goals, and there are progress goals. And outcome goals are always focused on the end result. For example, I'm going to lose 8 pounds this month. That is an example of an outcome goal. And the problem with outcome goals is that they are not always in your control. All right, they're not always in your control. For example, you might have been exercising 4 times a week and have been consistent with your diet, and at the end of the month, you feel good about what you've accomplished. You hop onto that scale, you see that you only lost 6 pounds, not 8. You didn't reach your goal, and now you're beating yourself up over it, even though you did everything that you felt you could possibly do. And that is the issue with outcome goals. They don't take into account the other factors that might be influencing it that are out of your control. For example, if you are super bloated that day, your body decided it's going to retain water because it has a little inflammation from your workout. That is the issue with outcome goals. And if there's one thing that you can take away from this video, it's to not make outcome goals for your weight loss journey. So if you're sitting there like, Jess, if I'm not using outcome goals, what am I supposed to make my goals of? Like, how am I going to stay on track? And the way you're going to do that is through performance goals and progress goals. Performance goals are focused on improving your own personal performance. So for example, taking this, I'm going to lose 8 pounds a month outcome goal. Instead of doing that, you're looking at your diet and you're like, I eat a lot of saturated fats, I eat a lot of cheese, and I don't really eat a lot of veggies. So to improve my performance, I am going to eat more veggies and eat less saturated fats. That is an example of a performance goal. So now that you have this performance goal of eating more veggies and less saturated fats, you're going to create a progress goal to help you to achieve that performance goal. So how are you going to actually achieve eating more veggies and eating less saturated fats? And it's important to note that when you are creating your performance and your progress goals, you want to make sure that your performance goal is set first, because your progress goal helps you to get to your performance goal. So you want to make sure you have a performance goal set first before trying to set your progress goals. So looking at this performance goal of, hey, I am going to eat more veggies and less saturated fats. How can I do this? What is a progress goal that I can make sure I do this every day? And an example of that would be, I'm going to take 2 of my 3 cheese servings I have daily, and I'm going to switch those to vegetable servings. So there are a few reasons why performance and progress goals are more effective than outcome goals. And we already touched on the first one, and that is that outcome goals have things in them that are out of your control. Whereas performance goals and progress goals, you are 100% in control of if you do these goals. If you did not switch out your 2 cheese servings a day with veggies, that's on you. That's not on your body. That's not on your external environment. That is 100% on you. So performance and progress goals keep you more accountable, because you can't use other factors as a reason why you didn't achieve that goal. The other reason why performance and progress goals are more effective than outcome goals is because they provide a direction for you or a roadmap for you. So if I was going to use an outcome goal of losing 8 pounds in a month. It's like, okay, I said it. Now what? Now what do I do? Whereas performance goals and progress goals make you focus on exactly it is you want to accomplish in order to lose that weight. So instead of just saying, okay, I lost 8, I'm going to lose 8 pounds, it's now, all right, I know that I have to increase my veggie intake and decrease my saturated fat. I know that I'm going to take these 2 daily servings of cheese and switch them to veggies. They give you a roadmap on exactly it is you need to work on, and it allows you to focus on what it is that you need to change in order to lose weight. So if you're still a little confused on how to make these performance and progress goals, definitely reach out to me. At Lean Ladies Coaching, what I do is I make sure my clients have goals to work on in order to keep them moving forward in a weight loss journey. They have performance goals, they have progress goals, because outcome goals do not work. They do not work. They will not hold you accountable. So please reach out to me if you are still wondering about this performance and progress goals, you have some questions, and I would love to talk to you. I want to know, drop in the comments below, what are your performance and progress goals for your weight loss journey? What is your performance goal? How are you going to get to that goal with those progress goals? Drop it in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear from you. And if you liked this video, you found it super helpful, make sure you like that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I have a weekly tip on weight loss, as well as easy and healthy recipes that you can do in order to help you to decrease your calorie consumption. Beautiful, weight loss is not easy. And if anybody tells you that, they are so full of crap. Don't even listen to them. Weight loss is not easy, but by educating yourself and by holding yourself accountable, you can do this. I believe in you, and I will see you next time.